If you're interested in the top 5 smudging herbs, then this video is for you. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. If you're looking for a powerful and natural way to cleanse your space and invite positive energy, look no further than Sage Essentials Age of Sage White Sage Smudge Sticks. These aromatic white dried sage sticks, each measuring 4 inches long, are made from real and natural California white sage, known for its strong and heavy presence. Unlike other smudging products, our sage sticks contain no additives, artificial scents, or preservatives. Our smudging rituals are designed to clear a space and eliminate negativity, allowing for a rebalance and energetic cleansing. As the slow-burning bundled white California sage fills the environment with its purifying smoke, you'll feel a renewed sense of positivity. What sets us apart is our commitment to sustainability. We primarily produce our sage in high desert ecosystems, ensuring that it is grown and collected in an environmentally friendly manner. After harvest, each sage smudge stick is carefully dried and hand-wrapped with cotton string. These age-old traditions have been passed down by native Indians and indigenous Americans, making our Age of Sage White Sage Smudge Sticks a thoughtful gift for occasions like house blessings, Christmas, New Year, or any heartfelt moment. Elevate the ambience with our California Sage Smudge Sticks from Sage Essentials. Introducing Sacred Harmony Smudge Sticks, the ultimate tool for home cleansing and spiritual purification. Our smudging wands are made from 100% white sage, sustainably grown on private land to preserve these sacred plants. With 6 bundles included in each pack, you'll have an abundance of high-quality sage for your rituals. Designed by a small business born in the heart of Ohio, our smudge kit is a beautiful and meaningful gift for anyone in need of positive energy. Not only does smudging cleanse negative energy, but it has also been shown to improve cognition and mental clarity. With detailed instructions and blessings included, you'll learn the best way to achieve powerful and inspiring results. As a small team, we sincerely thank you for generously supporting our business. Experience the transformative power of Sacred Harmony Smudge Sticks today. Are you looking to enhance your intuition and find spiritual balance? Look no further than our 3 White Sage Smudge Gift Kit. This kit has everything you need to cleanse negative energy and promote healing and stress relief. Handcrafted by our caring and loving team at JL Local, each kit contains sustainably grown sage that is collected with utmost care to preserve its sacred properties. It's the perfect gift for anyone in need of positive energy. The kit includes 3 white sage bundles, a 5 to 6 inch abalone shell with stand, a smudging feather, a chakra bracelet for energy balancing on the go, detailed instructions, and blessings. With this kit, you'll learn the best way to achieve powerful and inspiring results. Center your spiritual compass with our Sage Smudge Gift Kit today. Looking to cleanse and purify your space? Look no further than the Blue River Sage Smudge Sticks. This pack of 50 sustainably harvested white sage smudge sticks is all you need for a thorough cleansing ritual. Each smudge stick is handmade and quality checked multiple times to ensure the highest standards of excellence. With our 2-page instructions booklet, using your sage kit has never been easier. Simply light the sage stick, let the calming and loving energy envelop you as the sage burns, and watch as the air is purified. Our care and attention extend beyond the product itself, even our packaging is recyclable. At Blue River Sage, we are passionate about making beautiful sage products accessible to as many people as possible. That's why we offer this 50-pack at an affordable price. Experience the tranquility and positive energy that our white sage smudge sticks bring to your space. Elevate your spiritual practice with the Sage Variety Pack. This kit includes a selection of sacred smudge sticks and an amethyst crystal. Whether you want to cleanse your space, enhance meditation sessions, or invite positive energy into your home, this variety pack has got you covered. Each stick is sustainably grown and carefully collected to preserve the potency of these sacred plants. With detailed instructions and blessings included, you'll learn how to achieve powerful and inspiring results. Breathe in the woody, citrusy aroma of Palo Santo incense sticks and find a sense of peace and clarity. Expel negativity and encourage creative energy with the captivating scents of white sage, blue sage, yerba santer, cedar, juniper Palo Santo. Bring harmony to your surroundings with the Sage Variety Pack. We're glad you watched our video about the top 5 smudging herbs and hope you found it helpful. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.